Wellness Wednesday is sponsored by Clark's Nutrition Natural Foods Market. Live better, we can help.
When it comes to feeling our best, it's not just about taking care of what we see on the outside. It's also about repairing and protecting ourselves from the inside out. So how do we support healthy cellular repair in our daily lives? To break it all down for us, we're joined by Starkie Sowers from Clark's Nutrition. This is an interesting topic. We've never talked about this before.
I know. I thought we would. This is very different. So literally, it's like one of those little areas on the shelf where it's about this big. And I thought, you know
might
what?
miss it if you walk too fast.
Oh, you will not only miss it. I guarantee you're going to miss it, right?
Yeah.
So, but it's become a real popular subject the last 4 or 5 years. So I thought I'd talk about autophagia.
Autophagia?
Right.
I've never heard of that.
Right. So think about this. We were talking earlier about dead skin cells,
yes.
right?
Ugh.
So 90% of household dust is dead skin, right?
That is so
And it's so
awful.
amazing, right?
He was telling me that and it just gave me the creeps.
So imagine, obviously, we have our body, and so we have like the organ system. So the skin's an organ, you have kidney, liver, all these other different things on the inside, right? Well, now let's take a cell. There's billions of these different cells, right? Inside the cells, there's little organs or little organelles. All right, so let's say they start petering out and they need to die.
Okay.
We actually have a system inside that comes in and basically kills it, eats it, and then spits out the garbage. It's called autophagia.
Wow.
Right? So what happens if we don't do these things, then the cell becomes literally non-productive and actually becomes disease-promoting.
Whoa. Okay. So how do we prevent that?
All right. So a couple of different things. Number one, exercise increases autophagia.
Okay.
All right. Different foods have this particular compound or this amino acid. And what it does is it increases autophagia in the system.
Interesting. You're telling me that raisin bread, which is like my all-time favorite thing, has it?
Yeah, so some of the different grains that are in there actually have what is known in this particular situation as spermidine, all right? So ultimately what happens is this, it not only helps to clean up the cells and get them detoxed and get rid of the bad components, it also is an anti-aging or aging well component.
Wow, that's great. What's this here?
So believe it or not, Parmesan cheese. Right?
I love that too.
Right.
Oh my gosh, you just
So
made my
these
day.
are and nuts and seeds. So I made you raisin bread with nuts and seeds. So
yay, I'll have that.
Sorry, it's not warm anymore, but it should taste good.
What's this on it?
So that's the nut butter.
The nut butter. I will try that.
Crazy stuff, right? And then, of course, we have it in capsule as well, too. Some people will use
that is so very
amazing,
good.
Right? Yeah.
That is delicious.
So then, okay, we've got another situation. What if that cell doesn't want to die? So now it's going to basically like put a fort around itself. And what it's going to do is like, you know what? We're going to self-suffice. And what we're going to do is basically cause disease. We're going to start creating inflammation. We're going to get the cells next to us, cause DNA damage, and go on and on and on and on. So it's a senolytic cell or a synthesis cell.
That is a tough word.
It means it's gone to sleep and not responding to everybody, but it's still just doing its thing.
I see.
So there's other compounds called Fisetin and different types of polyphenols that encourage those cells to die as well.
Okay.
So that's that list of foods over that way. And so then here's some of the different components.
Broccoli, you've got apples.
Yeah, so I made you, by the way, cereal with sauteed apples. So it's like,
that's so nice of
so
you.
you got all your anti-aging components all in one little table.
Wow,
and green tea is
great.
another great component on that as well, too. Now, if you want to supplement, a lot of people supplement. The one that you're probably going to feel is going to be this one, the Spermidine. So this one not only has the spermidine in it, but also has other different compounds specifically for mental alertness. You're going to feel that if you use that. Okay. This is Dr. Mercola's daily autophagia and also senolytic cell promoting agent. So it has the spermidine and also the Fisetin in it, and then the straight Fisetin as well.
And the straight Fisetin. Yeah. Boy, if I saw Fisetin on a shelf, I'd be like, what the heck is that?
What is that?
Yeah, now I know. Well, that's amazing.
I thought I would just go a little bit deep today just because it's kind of fun.
I love it. Yeah. That's so, we never think about ourselves and repairing ourselves and what that looks like.
And what's cool here is looking at food and then being appreciable to the foods and what they produce for us.
Yes. Yeah. And you actually have one of the largest organic fruit and vegetable sections in the whole valley. I was shocked. I will drive for that. It's gigantic.
It makes a difference.
It makes a huge difference.
Not eating the chemicals.
Yeah, absolutely.
Whenever you can.
Yeah.